Good morning! So, pauwi na kami. Pabalik na kami ng New York. So, galing kami ng New York. Pumunta kami ng Connecticut. Duman kami ng Massachusetts. And then we stay one day in Connecticut, which is another side. And then the next day, pumunta kami sa another side na naman sa Connecticut, which is yun, kahapon. Hindi ko na matandaan. And then, so, been 2 days kami sa Connecticut. And then, after 2 days, pumunta kami rito sa Pennsylvania. So, we're here. Been here yesterday. And then, now we're going back to New York na. So, ayun. Biyahe na naman tayo and pauwi na. So, fresh na. Naligo ako kagabi. Kasi alam ko na marami akong gawin. May mga meetings ako this morning. And ngayon lang kami umalis. Alas 8 na kasi nga inuna ko at may mga meeting ako. Kapag umalis kasi kami kagad, then madalas kami duman sa backway. Walang signal. So, but thanks God, everything is done naman sa mga sa ginagawa ko. Yung mga bagay through online or meetings ko. So, ayun. And then, samahan nyo kami sa long drive na naman going back home. So, one of our plan is we're going to stop for Asian store kasi bibili ako ng pansit tsaka mga kailangan ko. Update ko muna sa inyo. Mga little things of my life lang muna. Pero halos talagang lahat ng galaw ko, which nagbibideo naman ako and everything as much as possible, dinodocument ko siya. So, para may long video tayo at makapag-upload tayo weekly ng ating vlog. So, weekly na ako nag-upload. So, hopefully, may enjoy kayo. Samahan nyo naman ako sa another long trip namin. Okay? Baby, pauwi na ako. Ayan na, on the way na go home. Pang drive na naman tayo. Stop for breakfast. Here in the diner skills. Pennsylvania. The same breakfast. Here.
Another tree down there. It'll be foggy, boys. Foggy bottom, boys.
We love you. Bye, New York.
There's still a big thing.
Welcome. Bye. Welcome back to New York. Uwi na. Snowflakes. Oh, it's snowing New York. Snowflakes. It's cold outside. More a lot of snow. Umuulan na ng snow.
See it up there?
Yeah. Well, that's a lot. There's a mountain, but we didn't see it because of the wet snow. Sobrang puti na ng daan. Mula ng snow today. Kami, gawin na kami sa bahay namin sa pauwi. Kagaling lang namin mag-grocery ng aming aking lulutuin.
Rob, I think you should go back.
May mga ibang ano ka pa, no?
Lumabas si ma'am.
It's cold enough.
It's cold out. Here you go. Good morning, everybody. It's snowing day, November 11. Nag-snow na sobra. Ano naman sobra, which is madami-dami din.
Veterans Day.
Today is Veterans Day. Thank you for the service. Salute! Thank you for your service, Kalab, for the country. Now, we're gonna go something to eat. Tapos, since it's Veterans Day, malabgit have a free meal. Yun muna. And, today, ito maganap namin, lumabas kami. Dahil sobrang napagod ako bago kami lumabas. Alam mo, may lambalit yung suit ko. 3 medyas, pants sa ilalim, tapos ay may pang ilalim ako, tapos pants, tapos may damit ako, tapos may another jacket, tapos may jacket. Puro, diba? Tapos sa ulo, may pa sa kamay. Hindi lang ako naglagay sa ngayon kasi wala pa kami sa labas. Sa pocket ko yung aking gloves. Napagod ako kapag ka nag-winter gato snow. Ang pinakaayaw ko is yung hindi pa nakakalabas pero hinihingal na ako, pagod na ako. Di pa nakakalis pero hinihingal ako. Wearing all this stuff in my body and makes me heavy. Ang bigat na katawan ko dahil. So, struggle din naman tayo. Pero happy ako kasi nag-snow ng maaga. Yay! Bago kami uwi ng Florida. Kasi last year yung snow ko December 1, di ko yun makakalimutan. I was playing outside in Aunt Connie's house. Playing snow everywhere. Playing snow and make a snowman. Ngayon ang aga ng snow nila. Hop, hop! Snowing in New York. Here in Dennis for gonna have veteran. Snowing. It's snowflakes only. Ano na sila? Tawag dun. So, snowing. Snow maghapon mula kagabi hanggang ngayon. So, ngayon, dito na tayo. We're going to the game. Kakain kami muna bago kami sa laro. Manonood pala kami basketball. And Applebee's. This is their menu. Applebee's. Yay!
She had a couple questions.
Rice monthly meal and ice cream. What's that? Nakakuha siya ng free dinner for Veterans Day. We're here Applebee's eat for dinner. A price lang ako and the dessert ice cream. Cookie daw po. Yun lang.
I just told them to start that cookie skillet for you, okay?
Thank you. Yep. So, getting ready na our dessert. Yun lang.
right onto US 20
See?
West.
I see it. Team Colgate basketball. It's another day. Hello, New York. Snowing day. Yan. Mga 7:40 ngayon. Yan yung ganap. Pangatlong araw na nag-snow dito. Malamig pa. Good morning. It's November 13. So, we're here in Applebee's. It's our first anniversary. Today, November 13. So, we'll have a date here and eat lunch in Applebee's. Ang ganda, Applebee's. Ito yung menu nila. And mabubusog na naman ako. Ka-out lang namin dito sa Applebee's and busog na ako. Kumain lang kami ng dinner and same kami ng lunch and same kami ng menu for lunch. So, but well, we're done and I'm good. I got a flower chore and I got a free lunch from my husband. And that's good. I am already fine and I'm enough. Kasi yesterday, nagastos na kami, tinrate niya na ako, bumili kami ng marami dyan. Bumili ako ng mga pants na bago. So, yan yung mga update ko sa aking mga natanggap. And then, my mom's gave me a white chocolate like Christmas tree design from Girlhood Hawk Chocolate in Pennsylvania. And that's a surprise to me. And we received a letter from my mom. You know, so, ayun, happy naman ako and my heart is okay now. Char! So, sulitin na natin yung araw ng mga araw natin. Kaya marami na namang araw na darating na puro na naman tayo. Away! Uy! Okay, sa atin lang yun. Baby, pauwi na ako. We are going to a ride for a day. Good morning, it's another day. Welcome to a vlog. Parang red na red yung lips na yan, B. Look at that's a clouds, the white. Sobrang puti, oh. Snowing, snowing. Hop, hop, hop.
Farm equipment.
Batoy ko dawan, combine?
Combine, yeah.
Combine. Snow equipment. Okay. Tingnan nyo yung fog dito. Sobrang daming fog. Morning in the forest. Medyo bundok yung likod niyan kaya puro fog. Ay! We're in Sunkist Island.
Is that what it's called? Sunkist Island?
Yeah, there. Did you read it?
No, I'm watching the road.
Kami warm up sa may Oswego Hotel.
Sidewalk and then get a big picture from overall?
Oh, that's pretty.
Huh?
I'm good. Do it. I'm do it what I want.
Okay.
Ang laki ng hotel na to. It's Sego Hotel. Dumaan kami ng yun sa lake na dinaanan namin. And then, bumaba kami ng hotel sa Sego. And then, bumaba kami dito sa National Baseball Hall of Fame. So, ito yung National Baseball Fame dito sa Cooperstown in New York. So, actually, this is just a round trip only today. Drive somewhere, wherever we want to go. Not to stay at home. So, yun yung ano namin ganap today. So, it's pretty like, I didn't go out. I didn't much stay outside kasi it's sobrang lamig. Sobra. It's 35. So, minsan 33. This is already freezing below. Below freezing na siya. So, kahit magstay ka lang ng 5 minutes, ang lamig na sa body. Especially when you didn't get used to it, the weather, it's really hard. Even me. Then, that's why I asked him today, if ever we're gonna stay too long here, let's say we're gonna stay here, like living here, do you think I can just do it? What's the weather in here? But for me, honestly, I could not. But he said, might be. It depends how you many time, like how open you are to go out to your house until you get used to it, the weather. That's one thing you can adjust if you are in the New York, not even in New York, but honestly the weather in New York is very nasty. Like even in this one day you can experience the sunny, and then a little bit it's rain, then a little bit it's snow. It seems like it's crazy weather for a day or even a week. Sometimes like no, it's still autumn, but look, it's been snowing. Too early for snow now, but sometimes yan talagang nangyayari, depende sa degree. Kasi pabago-bago nga, diba? So, kapag the more na freezing, ano siya, mas nagko-considerate yung langit. Nag-iiba-iba talaga siya. Maaring mag-snowflake siya or maaring uwan siya. So, usually ganun yung na-experience dito sa weather dito. So, yun yung update ko and now we'll see. Sana naman yung aming road trip. Malabay! Ay, nako. Ito dito, American Revolution. Pretty lake. Snow the flow filter, let it go. See? It's a big lake. Inikot namin yung other side na yan. Tapos dumating kami doon sa gitna, Cooperstown. Tapos umikot kami dito. Hindi na namin. Pabalik dito. Maba lang kami saglit. Ang lamig. May araw pero ang lamig. May araw. Lumabas na siya. Konting-konti lang. Pretty. Pretty.
You're Baloo.
Hey!
You gonna get a picture of this one?
I don't have the only one.
Did you get that one?
Slow, let it go.
Go
The
with
one
this one.
protect of our water.
Yeah.
Trending more lightly. Eh! Pretty. May blue dito sa likod ah. Thai restaurant. Thai restaurant. At yun may mga Buddha. That's restaurant. Meron kami sa pansit. They don't have spring roll. There's only calamari.
You don't want to try it? I'm at the sauce. Well, go ahead.
Lab shrimp. Yummy. Good na lang.
And I just stay in the seat.
Eureka downtown.
Yeah.
There was a good food that we eat. We're up to somewhere again. Right.
The look.
Eureka
See,
downtown.
they give this thing about the Utica.
Oh, that's look good. Yeah, thank you. Morning. By New York, we're going home back to Florida. 43 days. A bit long, but everything is good. Go home. Yeah. Pretty. We're at the airport now. Here's Syracuse Airport, New York. 8:27 a.m. A bit early, but
Over an hour.
an hour before.
2 minutes because we left. You can, looks like they're going to be pulling your way everywhere unless you go around the curve and take.
Lawyer said no, you don't. Liability.
I'm back to Florida. Na-miss ko dito yung sun. Oh, ang ganda. Hopefully maganda ang breeze outside. Florida. Very warm. Home. So, na-miss ko yung weather dito. Ang sarap. Breeze sa labas kahit may araw or mainit. Di siya mainit. Masarap yung araw. Siguro dahil hapon na. But anyway, we're safe. We're back in Florida finally after 42 days. Ikot-ikot sa New York and other states, and finally I'm home. So far, wala pa akong planong gumala, pero si Josawa marami pa siyang gala. Stay lang sa bahay. So but anyway, we're safe now and we're back here and I'm happy. Tingnan nyo naman yes ko sa more than 1 month, sirang-sira. So but anyway, yun lang muna and I'll update you when we come back home. So I'm excited na makauwi, makahiga, magpahinga. Kailangan natin yun. O siya, yun lang muna.